The wherefore clause is on the end of every count in a complaint that says, wherefore, in this case, such and such person is owed such and such amount from the such and such defendant. Here they're claiming $6,672.63, the amount that was not just charged off, but charged off with certain internal credits. That usually to me means someone defaulted on their debt, but they had insurance and the insurance paid it up. That's a very common thing that happens. Even though the person got the insurance and it got paid off, they still get sued. So the statement shows payments and credits of $6,672.63. This indicates the credits were applied to the balance, and the balance of zero comes after those credits. So it's not really a charge-off. It was credited as a payoff. So this is a violation of the FDCPA and your state collection statute if you're being sued for something that you don't owe. That's very clear. Charge-offs normally don't eliminate the debt, but in this case, it's documented that these were credits that equaled the full balance. So that, to me, tells me that that insurance paid off this debt. So look at, again, number 12, Shazam. Defendants used or made payments on the subject account. A final statement was sent to the defendant. That's the statement you just looked at that said it's zero, to which defendants did not object. What that means is, you've seen my video on the Fair Credit Billing Act, Shazam up there, and it's sort of reversed that. I always counsel in my FCBA PRISM videos, approaches, advice, education to you, that you file a dispute under the FCBA if you see any problem with the account statements. That's why they put that statement number 12. It's a throwaway. It's put into most collection lawsuits so that you can't use the FCBA because it says you did not object. The FCBA not only allows you to object, but it ties up the case, and until an investigation is done that's premised on your sending the investigation letter that's attached to my FCBA video, they can't do anything, including collect on the debt. So their number one problem is they have a securitization problem. Let's call it the securitization problem. Discover securitized most of its credit card receivables and sell the payment rights into a trust called the Discover Card Master Trust 1. Once a receivable is sold through a trust, Discover doesn't own that debt anymore. Discover is only a servicer or a collector for the trust.